got next?
Hi, Kevin. Kevin? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thanks. Great. Thank you. Good one.
We have to change tires. You'll have new tires.
Oh, brilliant. Very good.
So you're good?
Yeah, brilliant. Back again.
Yeah.
5 years later.
Oh, yeah. When was it?
2018.
18. Yeah.
So what settings do you have the suspension in?
So I'm on -1 on compression, rear +2. I'm actually thinking of increasing the rear rebound because I feel that the car is sitting a little bit too much. So we'll try now. I increased, but this I kept what Christoph Breuer from Manthey told me, because he has a lot of experience with this car.
Okay, yeah.
For me, this morning was the first time. This morning was the first time I was driving with this car. So
yeah. Yeah, it's a new thing for the RS, isn't it? They never had it before.
No, it's cool. Actually, it's really cool. Tires
and what do you think of the car?
It's a really good car, really amazing car. In terms of aero, it's really fantastic. But it changed a lot with the tire. Like, well, this is like every car, depending on the tire you have.
Yeah.
But the aero is quite incredible. Braking, aero, very good. This car somehow understeers understeers a bit too much for my liking off brake and on power. But
you can tune that out, can't you? With
yeah, could do something else, I think. But this is a development car.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm not really sure exactly how it stands, if it's exactly everything, you know. That's why.
Oh yeah, it's got the front roll cage and everything. Yeah.
There's a bit of everything. So watch out, watch out.
It's a nice colour, this Azzurro Tatis Metallic.
Exactly,
It's originally one of the. They did a GT3 in this colour as well.
Yeah, it's a cool colour. It's a cool combo. When did you arrive?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, took the Eurotunnel.
Ah, okay.
And then drove. It's a nice drive. It's 4.5 hours.
Okay, cool.
And then you get a good hour and a half on the autobahn.
Nice.
So.
It was empty enough that you could.
Yeah, there was a bit of traffic at the end, but yeah, I did 240.
Nice.
In my BMW.
What do you have?
It's just a 3 litre. It's the 330i.
Okay.
330i, so it does. It's still
nice.
275 horsepower. It's enough. I mean, I did 160 in it last year.
Okay.
So it's fast enough. I mean, it's not an M3, but it's more comfortable.
Sure.
And also, it does one tank. I mean, I did from England to Nürburgring in one tank.
That's actually amazed me with the Touring. Yesterday I did one tank as well, and like I think 13.3 litre. Well, I'm still betting in the engine, but I drove 240, 250.
Did you? Okay.
Because you have to drive under 7,000 RPM.
Yeah.
And I was. So I think you can be at just you can be at 245, I think, in sevens. So
nice.
well, I mean, there was still some traffic. I couldn't do that all the way, but the fuel consumption.
And how do you find it compared to your old turbo?
It's for sure a lot harsher.
Yeah.
But and so far I didn't do any small road or anything. Just it's more reactive. For everyday use, for sure the turbo is the best.
Yeah.
But
and you went for 18-way seats, not buckets.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because I drive too much for.
Yeah. These are fun on a track day, aren't they?
Yeah, perfect for what this car. I mean, on RS, I think you can only take it like this. But for touring, driving it pretty much every day, then for sure I need the 18.
And you prefer PDK to manual?
Yeah, same thing. If it would be like a track day car, or not a track day, but a weekend car, then I would have taken manual.
Yeah.
But like this, it's just. For what I'm doing with the car, it's just.
I got the hands this time because people in the video last time they complained. They complained that you had hands and I didn't. So.
Nice. Is it your helmet? Or?
Yeah, my helmet. Yeah, okay. I got one. I wasn't sure whether to get full face or open.
Depends what you do. For this, I mean, full face is a bit safer, but for track day, for sure, this would be good. I think I'm gonna do one for next year, an open face.
Yeah.
Because for that.
I think the best thing is hands. And then,
for sure.
And then after that,
this is just if something comes
like
to
an
your
airbag
face.
or Yeah, I mean, what I can always do is, if I need one, I can get a full face one,
exactly.
And then keep this as a passenger one or something.
But are you doing some track days or something with your car?
Not really. No, not with my car. No, because it's it would wear out. I think if I took it. I saw you at Festival of Speed when you had the cochon rose. The pink pig.
That's good. Yeah. It's a nice event.
So your season's coming to an end now, is it?
I still have 2 races and a few tests, but a little less crazy. Ça va? T'as la forme? T'as quoi comme caisse?
Une 990 bleue.
Une bleue. C'est toi qui étais devant moi tout à l'heure ou bleu ciel ou?
Non, bleu foncé.
Ah ok. Il y en a un qui était avec une bleu ciel tout à l'heure qui roulait bien. Je me suis dit, ça se trouve, c'est toi. Just try to lay on the. Tires are new, so just the first 2 kilometers is gonna be a bit less grip, but then the grip will be there.
Okay.
You'll have more grip towards the end, but less at the beginning.
Yeah.
You feel?
Yeah.
Yep.
Brilliant.
Phone survived?
Yeah, phone survived. Yeah.
All right, see you later.
Great. Thanks a lot, Kevin.